I did a project with my students last year. The project is titled The Times of India Student Edition Principal Guest Editor Program. This project was done by me during the academic year 2017-18. I started the project with a group of 12 students from class 11th. Our school has been subscribing to the Times of India Student Edition, and I have always taken special care, along with the guidance from my principal madam, in making the best use of the student edition and promoting its importance among the students. I have tried to incorporate maximum contribution from our school in the student edition. So last year, somewhere in October, I thought about bringing about a guest edition from our Vidyalaya. I started the project in 2017, October. I had a discussion with the Times of India Student Edition team, and they were quite happy to entrust us with the responsibility of bringing out a guest edition. In my discussion with my principal madam, she was quite happy and cooperative about this venture. So I started informing the students about the project, and based on their interest and aptitude, I selected a group of 12 students from class 11th, and we started the project, which lasted for almost 2.5 months. We released the Times of India Student Edition Guest Edition on January 15th, 2018. So this period, spanning over 2.5 months or almost 3 months, could create lots of awareness among the students regarding the use of a newspaper, the work that goes behind the newspaper. It is one of the most unforgettable experiences they had in their entire school life. I personally believe as a teacher that school should give memorable experiences to a child. It is not alone for knowledge development, but for skill development. We are the first Kendriya Vidyalaya in Ernakulam region or in Kerala to bring out a Times of India guest edition like this under the student edition program. The newspaper contains 8 pages, out of which only one page, that is page number 8, which is the responsibility of the Times of India student editorial team. Whereas the 7 pages had to be done by us, me and my group of 12 students. So as the initial work, I had a discussion with my group of students, and we paid a visit to the Times of India office at Kochi. So the maiden visit to the newspaper office itself triggered creativity and enthusiasm among the students. After the visit to the Times of India office and getting a clear briefing from the editorial team regarding what is expected of our team, we came back and had a meeting where we decided to ask among ourselves, I mean my team, and decide who would take which page out of the 7 pages in the newspaper. So based on their interest and aptitude, each page was allotted to the students in the group. We found out from the calendar that the first week of January, we had an important day coming up, that is Youth Day, Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary. So what we decided is, half of the page we will use for Swami Vivekananda's biography, articles on Swami Vivekananda, inspirational quotes from Swamiji, etc. The other half of the page, we had to find out a new theme, for which I suggested we can have a theme on pets. I found out from my students that we have lots of students in the school who have their own pets, cats, dogs, pigeons, etc. So it would be very interesting to create an awareness among the students regarding the values of having pets, and therefore we decided to conduct a survey among the students regarding the things they learn from having pets and what kind of values it can convey to others. And page number 4 was about School is Cool, where we had our Honorable Deputy Commissioner's message. We also had the events and achievements from our Vidyalaya. Page number 5 is a mix of mental ability, mind teasers, jokes, etc. Page 6 carried a mock question paper of class 10th by one of the teachers on science, and we also had interviews with bright pass outs, tips for examination, etc. Page 7 is simply sports, which carried all the sports achievements of our Vidyalaya, interview with the sports teacher and the achievers, etc. Page 8, as I told you, is the responsibility of Times of India guest edition, student edition team, Times of India student edition team, and that carried sports news. Now, after completing this work, stage by stage, I told you, the first part was forming the team, visiting the Times of India office, allotting the page to one or more students, then giving them deadline and reminders at every point, editing the work submitted to me, forwarding them to the email given to us by the Times of India team, formation of a WhatsApp group of our team of students where I could interact with them regularly, give them deadlines, reminders, corrections, etc. Once the project was ready, we had paid 3 visits to the Times of India office at different points, and each visit turned out to be really fruitful for the students. And a 19 minutes documentary I prepared using all these various stages of preparing the newspaper. It carries the release function as well, and the moments from the preparation of the newspaper, feedback from the students regarding what they learned during the project. By doing this project, the students have been able to develop leadership qualities, interpersonal skills, teamwork, time management, and most important, they got rich exposure to the various career opportunities in the field of journalism. I'm very happy to tell you that we have received accolades from parents, the chairman of VMC, our higher authorities at the regional office as well as at the headquarters of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I'm very thankful to my team of students, the colleagues of KV INS Dronacharya, and above all, my principal madam, who is the guiding force behind the whole project. It wouldn't have been successful without the cooperation and encouragement of principal madam and all the higher authorities of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Thank you.